Hello, boys and girls. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about your math paper today because sometimes doing crosswords can be a little tricky. So the trick to doing a crossword puzzle is to look carefully at which answers are going to go across the puzzle and which answers are going to go down on the puzzle, which are below here. So what I would do first is I would look, and this is across, and this is A across. A is under the word across, so I know that A is right here, and my answer is going to go across. And I'm going to put one digit in each box. So if I solve this problem, 18 plus one more, I know that 18 plus one more is 19. So then I go here and I'm going to put my answer 19 going across. So I'm going to put one digit here and one digit here. Okay? Then I would continue with C going across. So 44 plus 2, and I would take my answer, and here's C, and I would go across and put one digit in each box. Okay? When you get to the section that is down, for example, it starts with B. Okay? The sum of B is going to go down on your puzzle. So I'm going to find my B, which is right here, and my answer is going to go down. I already have one of my digits. Okay? So 93 plus 0 is 93. I already have my 9, and I'm going to go down, and I'm going to put my 3. Okay? So look very carefully. Not only do your math carefully by adding, okay, but then really check to see which digits go across and which digits will go down. Okay? I hope this helps. Good luck.